Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make pistachio cookies, perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. Alright, first up we're going to make our pistachio butter. We got our pistachios right here. We're going to put them in the food processor. We're going to set the puree. And we're just going to puree it until it's a paste. And now we got some pistachio butter. Nice thick pistachio butter paste right there. Alright, now we're ready to make the cookies. We're going to start off with a half cup of sugar, half cup of butter. And we're going to use a fork to break up that butter with the sugar there. Next up, we're going to add our half cup of pistachio butter, half cup firmly packed brown sugar, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now we're going to blend all these ingredients together to make a little bit of a paste. Alright, now to that we're going to add a half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then we have 1 3/4 cup flour. And we're going to blend that all together. Alright, now that that's all blended together, we're going to take a little bit, form it into a ball, roll it in our hands. And we can lay that on the tray. We're going to take a fork that's slightly moistened from the dough, dip it in some sugar, press it once, turn, press again, so we get that nice little crosshatch going right there. Then we're going to take a pistachio, stick it right in the middle so people know it's a pistachio cookie. Alright, now those are all pressed out and decorated. We're going to put those in the oven at 375 for 12 minutes. Alright, now that those are out of the oven, they're cooled down, nice and ready to serve. Perfect for Christmas or any occasion you might have. And there we have our beautiful pistachio cookies. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video.